Alrighty traders, so let's actually focus on the crypto market in this video. I want to share some things with you that I'm noticing that I know will help you. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, make sure you grab access to that free trading course on the screen there. First link in the description. Go get it right now. So the thing that I'm noticing right now when it comes to Bitcoin is the pattern that it's making. Okay, there's an interesting pattern that it's making here. We're in a bit of a sideways channel for starters. Okay, let's go look at this here. Look at good old Bitcoin. I think still people believe that there's this school of thought that we're going to go through another boom, right? There's a big school of thought we're going to go through another boom. It mean he's like, oh, look, it went up once and then came down and went up again and came down and went up again and came down and went up again and came down and went up again, right? One thing I want you to realize is that what is the market actually doing right now? Okay, so there's actually a very big, strong overall leg on the downside through here, right? And then we have this overall pullback through here. So to me, looking at this level through here, we're definitely stuck in this overall sideways movement on this weekly chart. If I go to my daily charts now, and squeeze my daily charts up, what's going on here? Okay, so let's have a look at this here. We had move up, move down. We had another nice move up, right? And then we've had this move down from here to here, and now we're just doing this. Okay. The reason why that's important is because we're doing this. If Bitcoin does start to hold here, and we start to get something like this out of Bitcoin, right? This something like this out of Bitcoin, then Bitcoin's probably going to start to make its way back down to around about 15,000. Okay, it's probably going to break that low, probably 15, 14,000, maybe even lower. Okay, so this is a really big sort of key area that I'm focusing on when it comes to Bitcoin, because this is actually a really strong level. And remember, this overall picture is down. Okay, and once again, if we go back to the weekly charts here, and if I squeeze my weekly charts up, look at the let's look at what we call strength in the moves. Okay, so look at this here. Look how strong that move is up there. Look how strong that move is. Strong. Then we started to get what? See how weak that is through there to there, right? This is strong up like that. That's actually quite weak, right? And then we had what? Strong movement down. Look at this through here. Look at all of that through there. What does that actually mean? Right? What does this actually mean to us? If we see a movement up like this here, where we've seen strong moves in the past, right? Strong moves, strong moves, strong moves. Now we're starting to get what? Weak, and then moving on the downside. So notice how that these legs through here are much stronger, strong, and then now this is strong, this is weak. But what does that actually mean? That means the buyers are very, very weak. What does that actually mean? There's a good chance the sellers are going to come back in and knock it back down again. This whole move is being weak to the upside, right? So there's a good chance we're going to see the sellers come back down and knock it down again. So that's what I'm noticing through there. It doesn't mean we're definitely going to do that, guys. We're getting a very strong breakout on Bitcoin right now as we speak. Look at that there. Oh man, look at that 2-minute chart. Ooh, 2-minute breakout. What about the 1-minute chart? Ooh, look at that on the 1-minute basis. How good's that? Anyway, so this is a bit of a rally through here. We're starting to get a bit of a rally through here. Once again, guys, we don't know definitely what's going to happen here, but if we do start to get a bit of this could be a bit of a fake out because we're going up through here. If we start to roll over like that, we're probably likely to see a movement on the downside. Let's go look at our Ethereum right now. Ethereum, and what's happening with Ethereum? Ethereum is doing what? Well, firstly, we're on a bit of a downward sloping through here, right? And you know what? Some people come to watch my videos, which I'm a technical analyst, trader, and some people say this fool is trying to apply technical analysis to these markets. That's all you have, right, guys? That's all you have. So looking at the weekly charts here, what do we have? Once again, look how weak this is, right? We're just slowly going up and slowly going sideways through here. So looking at this looking at the Ethereum market, we can see that we're getting something like this, right? We're coming down, coming up, coming down, and now we're coming up through here. So are we about to see a sideways movement and then a breaking of this low again? If so, we could actually start to see a move back down towards maybe even down towards 800. Oh, John, that's never going to happen. Why? It did back here. So we can see that that's just the high, lower high, and now we're getting a possible just flattening out period. So once again, I'm not saying this is definitely going to happen, guys, but if we do start to see something like that off this sideways movement, then guess what? We're probably likely to see some really strong movement to the upside. Looking at NEO, and NEO is probably the one that I'm focusing on myself personally out of all of them. I want to see if this does confirm. We're definitely getting a what? Look at this here. High, lower high, lower high. And this is why, guys, trying to pick bottoms, even right now, trying to pick a bottom in the crypto market is very, 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 very risky, right? High, lower high, lower high. So people are just like, oh, the bottom's in, right? The bottom's in, the bottom's in, the bottom's in, the bottom's in, right? And as you can see, once again, we're coming down and we're coming slow across. So if indeed we do start to get something like this here, we're probably like especially at a NEO, right now it's about $7.64. We're probably likely to come back down and maybe even probably make a $5 print, because we're probably going to break this level. That's a very strong level of support coming back from there. Looking at NEO, let's go look at Cardano. And Cardano, remember I said before about the angles, guys? Look at this here, strong down, slow across, and then look at that large bar from there, right? Large bar coming off that move, and then we had this strong sell-off period from there to there, as you can see. Look at that from there to there, right? So that's what we're getting right there, and we're getting that sell-off, and now we're coming down through here. Let's go look at that weekly chart, see if we can notice anything on a weekly chart basis, and probably nothing through there. Nothing really sort of too clear, but we are definitely on a downward movement from there. Dogecoin, yeah, not much really going on there as well too when it comes to the Dogecoin. We had this massive pump and dump. Let's go look at XRP. So what's XRP doing? Very, very, very interesting patterns I'm noticing here just straight away off this XRP. So the first thing I'm noticing is what? We had these lows through here, and we had this higher low, but now we've got this equal low through here. We actually had these sort of equal highs up through here, as you can see. It pumped. And then, oh man, look, XRP is going to the moon. Right? My butcher even started talking about XRP. I'm like, oh shit. My butcher's talking about XRP now. I was like, and I said to him, don't touch it, leave it alone. I was like, smack, I'm going to get the feather duster out. You guys did you guys used to get the feather duster? Right? It's like, no, don't touch it. It's like, when your butcher's talking about a market, don't do the opposite. Short it. Right? And then look what's happened. We've come back down now, and now we're setting this level of resistance here, right? So we're setting this point through here, but what does that actually mean? This whole thing could be one big false breakout. It's probably going to be since my butcher's talking about it, right? And so if we have a look at that there, if we can see once again, look at that through there, right? And then now we're coming up through here. Why is that important to us? Well, if this is going to be some sort of false breakout, let's go to the daily charts now, and let's actually see what's going on here from a daily chart perspective, right? So now we'll look at this here. High, lower high, strong move up, come back down, testing it as resistance right now. I want to see what's the 52 doing. Okay, the 52 is there. This is a 52 moving average, by the way, guys. I just like to see where it's actually pointing. We're pointing very strongly to the downside. But let's take this off the screen through here, and we can see that looking at this level from here, we can definitely see there's actually definitely something. Look at that there, probably something like that coming up as well too. But that's not the most important thing for me. The most important thing to me is that we've been strongly selling, and then now look at this here. We're very, very, very weak through here. Now, what does that actually mean to us? Looking at XRP, so XRP to me is that if we start to break this here on a conviction level basis, right? On a conviction level basis. What does that mean? It means strong bar, bull, right? Big strong bar. So what that actually means for us is this, is that if we get something like this here, all right, coming back down, and let's actually make that, let's change you to red, and can I make you any thicker? No, I can't. She's disappointed. Oh, guys, I had to make some sort of joke, right? Can I make it thicker? Can I make it thicker? No, she's disappointed. If we get something like that, guys, that we're probably likely to, looking at that from a level basis through here, we're probably likely to see a move back down towards these low levels through here on a short-term level basis. That's that level through there, and we may even have a move. That's that short-term level there, where it probably could get to, but we may even get down towards. That's that ultimate low level down there. So if XRP really starts to see some movement on the downside, we could probably break that level there, because we're squeezing up too, right? We're squeezing up into. Let's actually do this through here. So that's that level there. And that's that level coming through there as well too, right? So somewhere through there. Yeah, look at that. It's also squeezing up, right? So squeezing up. And then if we get the breakdown from here, that's actually a double level squeeze. Double level squeeze, what I mean by that is that we're hitting this resistance level through here. So if we get something like this here on the good old XRP, guys, then we're probably likely to see something like that moving down from that level there. So this sideways movement's coming back down through there. So this is what's going on right now when it comes to the XRP price, guys. There's actually, so probably the top two I'll be watching for. Oh, obviously Bitcoin is obviously a big one, right? So Bitcoin's a big one through there. If we start to get strong selling, we could probably get that through there. If that happens, then we're probably likely to see some of these other ones come down. So NEO is probably the one that I'm watching for myself personally. It's got the best pattern out of everything through there. And also probably now doing this analysis live with you guys, looks like also XRP is the one that if we get a very strong sell-off bar, we're probably likely to see some movement on the downside. So hope this helps you out today, traders. If you would like to get some more help from me personally, I've opened up a couple of spots to my private coaching program. It's a weekly coaching program for 12 months. If you would like to apply for that, then that first or that second link in the description, go click on that, guys. Go book a call. Go book a time for us to have a call. Go fill out the application form, and I'll speak to you in the next video.